What is up, guys? I just wanted to give a quick update on the Bitcoin chart after that huge move we had. That last video I made this morning was right around this price level during this 4-hour bar. This is the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin USD. Actually, I got it right here. So you can see here's that bar. We were just a little bit below where it opened, right at the top of the Bollinger Band there. So pretty much right around this level, and I was calling for a pullback within the next couple of hours, which is exactly what we got. We got a huge pullback, and it made it all the way down to $8,600. So this is a huge wick to the downside here. So this does look like a solid bottom, at least for the time being. Let's take a deeper dive into the 1 hour. And I don't know if you can see, the wick comes all the way down to right here, this level. So since then we've been chopping around. It's been up and down, but there is a nice wedge setting up here. Just draw this out. So there's this nice wedge setting up. The volume is definitely tapering off. So right now I just think we're in a range where we're trying to find which direction we want to go. There's not a lot of money flowing either way, in or out of the market, compared to the last couple of hours. Now until we break this level here, if and when we do, I'm thinking this is the bottom here for this move, at least in the short term. Just because, like I said, the huge wick, it got rejected hard from these prices. And it made it all the way down to 8,600, but by the time this bar closed, we were up at 9,700. So over $1,000 move. So that's just a big price rejection there. And since then, it's looking like this is the range it's wanting to stay in. But I'll have a better idea on what's going on once we break either of these trend lines out of this wedge pattern. Who knows what will happen as markets across the world start opening up. We just don't know how they're going to take this move yet. So once they come online and we get a break at either of these trend lines, we will have a better idea of what's going on here. But like I said, with this huge wick to the downside here, huge price rejection from that area, even if we do break below here, I do think this 8,600 area will hold. But I mean, as I speak right now, we are pushing higher, might break out to the upside of this wedge here. So that was some crazy downside action we saw. We're still not out of the woods yet, but at least for the time being, it does look like Bitcoin's price does have some feet underneath it, and maybe that was just a one-day crash. So that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll make another price update video as soon as something happens. As I'm saying this, we're breaking to the upside of that trend line I drew here. So I'll be keeping my eye on what's going on here. But the takeaway is we saw price rejection from this area. Down here is looking like this could be the low. So that's it. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay living that crypto money life.